Okay, so the purpose of this video is to help explain the results of our Punnett square cross. Okay, so this Punnett square is already set up from our first two videos where we crossed a pure brown-eyed parent with green-eyed parent. Now, in order to explain our results here, we need to explain two things. We have our genotype and our phenotype. First, we're going to start off with our genotype. The genotype is the possible combination of alleles that we have inside of our Punnett square. Now, this one's nice and easy because we only have one possibility. We have one dominant brown-eyed trait matching with one recessive green-eyed trait. This will happen 4 out of 4 of the times, or 100% of the time. Now, our phenotype is the actual way of describing our genotype. In this case, our phenotype would be hybrid brown eyes. Or we could also call this heterozygous brown eyes. Now, no matter what, if we have our dominant trait that's showing through, like in our genotype, it's always going to cover up a recessive trait. No matter what, even if we have a dominant and a recessive trait that pair up, it's always going to show through with this dominant trait. The only way for a recessive trait to show through, like for example our green eyes, is if we have two recessive traits that are pairing up. As long as we have a dominant trait that is showing, we'll always show that specific trait. So now we fully explained our Punnett square with our genotype of big B, little b 100% of the time, and our phenotype hybrid brown eyes or heterozygous brown eyes.